Hi, welcome to Develop with HMS Core. Today I am going to explain about HUAWEI ML Kit image segmentation to complete the development of FaceOff Dress Trial application. HUAWEI ML Kit image segmentation service segments the same elements from an image such as human body, plant, sky and many more and returns the segmented result. Here we are going to use image segmentation functionality for face capturing in FaceOff Dress Trial application. Now let's start coding.
Open the Android Studio. Go to App Build-out Gradle file. Add the HUAWEI ML Kit dependencies in Dependencies. Go to Image Crop Activity class. In last video, we have completed the image capturing. On click button Save, call the Process Image segment with cropped bitmap image parameter. Create an object of image segmentation class with callback listener to get the segmented bitmap result. Call the create analyzer and process segmentation result methods with bitmap parameter. In create analyzer method, create an object of ML image segmentation setting. Pass in set exact as false for fast segmentation and true for fine segmentation. Set human body segmentation mode and return the result type as foreground only. Create the analyzer object. Create ML frame object using the bitmap and pass into async analyzer frame method. Now asynchronously process result returned by the image segmentation analyzer. Pass the result into display success method. Get the result bitmap from segmentation object and pass into get segmentation image callback listener. Now stop the analyzer by calling analyzer.stop method. In image crop activity class, get the segmented bitmap result in callback. Change the bitmap into the string and save the result into shared preference. Finish the activity. Go to Dress Trial Activity class. In onResume, check the result image in shared preference. Get the result image. Change from string format to bitmap and set on image view image object. That's all for coding.
You have successfully built a FaceOff Dress Trial application and learned how to implement image editing service using Image Kit and image segmentation using ML Kit. Let's see how the final application looks. Open FaceOff Dress Trial application. Select a trial room from the set of trial rooms. Select the dress of your choice. Tap on camera button to capture your face. Capture the photo. Tap on flip horizontal button to flip the image. Click on rotation button to rotate the image. Crop the image to highlight your face. Then click on save. The image will be set to the dress selected. Well, that's all for today's episode. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below or visit HUAWEI developer website and be sure to hit the subscribe button. I will be back with a brand new series of videos explaining more features of HMS Core. Thanks for watching.